Hi, I am Rob Armanto, and this is my essay video for the PE for summative. So, what are the highlights in the module one for me is to know the routines for the dumbbells and stuff. It was very fun, but at the same time tiring. So yeah, it was a very amazing highlights for me during our module one. Yeah. So the next question is the challenges and improvements. So the challenges is the first day. First day was really tough for me, especially because I actually choose the 10 pounds dumbbell. So it actually made my muscle ache a lot. But then as time goes on, I feel like I improve a lot. I did not feel any more muscle pain or any muscle ache in my body. So I'm pretty sure I improved. Maybe my muscles have grown. Maybe my body has grown, especially my core. Doing the routine C is really hectic. Like the the body, the core, the lower. I mean the core and the upper. The lower is kind of fun, but the core routine and the upper routine, it's so tiring. It feels like your body after doing the routine, it's tired and it's like sluggish. Like dang, it's so. It was fun. So that's what I seen improvement about myself. I was able to execute the routine easily after that, after the first day actually. Yeah. So the impact of the exercise program. So how does it affect me? Technically, it affected me a lot, as now that knowing that those routines are really tiring. I try to improve myself through my stamina and stuff, but then at the same time I try to lessen my pounds in the dumbbells, so it doesn't really tire me out. But yeah, it affected me through my mental state also. My realization to it is that I should not have done the 10 pounds in the first day, because doing that made me realize it's really bad if you just do like the maximum of like the maximum weight of your body that can, like, that's the maximum you can lift. It was no, my body was so dead after that. So yeah, that was my realization. So my benefits was I feel a little more healthier, especially because I was doing exercise, and I feel like I gained a bit of muscles. So, so yeah, it was a very fun month-long program, the module one, and yeah, I cannot wait for module two to do the sports and have fun. So yeah, thank you.